Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover recently deleted photos that are gone. So, like, they're out of recently deleted. So, as you can see, we go to hidden or whatever. It says, I have 288 deleted photos I can recover. And all I have to do is press recover. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this app. It's super insane, and you can recover all deleted photos, which is super cool. So, as you can see, guys, it says recovering. So, we'll just wait for this process to finish. And then I might, yeah, look, they came back. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super crazy. So we need to go to this website called ZooMods right here. They have all the mods. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, just go to the search bar and type in the name. So let's just type it in right here. And then as you can see, it comes up and you just got to download it. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try us out. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe. This app is not in the App Store. If you want to look for it, I am going to let you do that. It's not there. So yeah, you can recover all deleted photos. These are photos that are in the recently deleted and have been removed from the recently deleted, whatever you want. And if you notice, I'll restart the app to show you. There's also videos and files. So as you can see, it says recover deleted videos, and then you can recover them by month. So it's pretty comprehensive. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. And it is updated and everything like that, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. But personally, I haven't found too many apps that work like this one, so that's why I made this video, honestly, because I was just really like stumped on how to recover photos. Because there's really no way to do it. Like, I assume once they're out of the recently deleted, they're gone. But I found this way, and it actually works. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys, because it is super insane, and it's a fully updated method. So I hope you guys have found some luck with this, because it worked for me and I was able to recover all deleted photos. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself if you're somebody that needs it, because personally I don't have a lot of money, so I can't like pay like $50 to recover my photos. So I can just use this free app and I can get them all back. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane, fully works, and yeah, it's super cool. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it is fully updated, guys. So remember, all you gotta do is go to the ZooMods, and then once you're there, guys, just go to the search bar and type in photos or iRecovery. So let me just wait for this to load. Alright, and there you go. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys tonight. This is super insane, fully works. So yeah, it's super crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out.